Hey, it's Alex from She Snowboards, and here are my top tips for riding the chairlift. Learning to load and unload the chairlift is scary for any beginner. It can take some practice to master, and using these tips, it'll make riding off the chairlift an absolute breeze. To get you ready to ride the chairlift, you need to spend time practicing your one-footed snowboarding. Learning to skate properly will give you control over your snowboard when you get on and off the lift. Choose a flat area and strap your front foot into your board. Standing properly on your board is the key for you to be able to get off the chairlift comfortably. You want to have your knees, hips and shoulders stacked over the top of your snowboard with a slight bend in your lower joints. Your hands should be over the tip and the tail of your snowboard, and your head should be looking in the direction of your travel. To start moving on your snowboard, place your back foot behind your front binding and gently push until it is behind the back binding. Practice this several times before lifting your back foot to rest in front of your back binding. This allows you to slide a few meters with both feet on top of your snowboard. Stop yourself from moving by sliding your back foot halfway off your snowboard, either forward to drag your toes in the snow or backwards to drag your heel. I prefer to drag my heel, so practice both to find out which is more comfortable for you. Take all these skills to a beginner slope that has a very slight incline and is flat at the bottom. This will mimic a chairlift off-ramp, so you'll be very well practiced before you even get on your first chairlift. Once you are confident in your skating ability and one-footed stopping, head over to the chairlift. While you're waiting in the chairlift line, be sure to watch the others ahead of you to see what they do before they get on. And if you're really unsure, you can always ask the lift attendant. When it is your turn, skate to the designated line or cone and turn around and watch the chair come towards you. When you're on the chairlift, put the safety bar down and get ready to enjoy the ride. Once you're on the chairlift and the safety bar is down, rest your board on the foot bar or on top of your free foot. It makes for a more comfortable ride. Have a chat to the people next to you and find out which way they're getting off at the top to avoid any confusion or collisions. And also let them know that you might need a little bit of space. As the chairlift moves over the safety netting, position yourself slightly side on so your snowboard is pointing directly down the ramp. Place your back foot in front of and against your back binding, and your hands over the tip and the tail of your snowboard. Stand up nice and slowly and look straight ahead over the top of your front fingers. Ride straight as far as you can before dragging your toes or your heels to bring yourself to a stop. Move quickly off to the side to get out of the way of the others that are coming behind you. This is Alex from She Snowboards. Use these tips to help you get off the chairlift successfully. Make sure that you're following us on Instagram and Facebook, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.